Bringing the beauty and tranquility of the outdoors into your living space through nature-inspired decor can greatly enhance your mental and emotional well-being. By incorporating elements from different nature themes, you can create an environment that fosters relaxation, reduces stress, and promotes overall health. Use botanical prints for wallpaper, curtains, or upholstery, and place potted plants around the room to create a fresh and vibrant atmosphere. Choose botanical wallpaper as an accent wall and pair it with natural wood furniture to create a harmonious and inviting dining space. Opt for a wooden bed frame and bedside tables, complemented by soft, earth-toned bedding and cozy wool rugs for a warm and comforting feel. Incorporate a stone fireplace or exposed wooden beams if possible. Add plush sofas and chairs with rustic textiles like wool or leather for a cozy yet rugged look. Use a palette of blues and whites for walls and furniture. Decorate with seashell and coral accents, along with light, airy curtains to evoke a beachfront feel. Incorporate a breezy canopy bed with sheer curtains and add sea-themed artwork or accessories to enhance the coastal ambience. Keep the space clutter-free with minimalist furniture, such as a sleek desk and ergonomic chair. Use neutral tones, natural light, and a few carefully chosen decorative elements. Create a tranquil space with floor cushions, soft lighting, and a water feature or indoor fountain. Use natural materials like bamboo or stone for decor. Bring in dark green walls or accents to mimic a forest canopy. Add bookshelves made of natural wood and incorporate cozy reading nooks with plush armchairs and soft lighting. Use botanical prints and incorporate wooden furniture with natural finishes. Include leafy green plants and forest-inspired artwork to complete the look. Choose vibrant tropical prints for bedding and curtains, paired with light-colored walls and natural bamboo or rattan furniture. Add lush green plants and vibrant artwork for an exotic feel. Use tropical-themed wallpaper or tiles, along with bamboo accessories and seashell decor. Incorporate bright towels and a few tropical plants to create a spa-like atmosphere. Each theme can be adapted to various rooms in your home, creating cohesive and inviting spaces that reflect your love for nature and provide a sanctuary for your mental and emotional health.